I want to speak out for the members of KOJC because I've come to know them.
Mhm.
Hindi yan property ni pastor. Property yan ng bawat miyembro ng KOJC. Ang ginawa niya, itong walang yang to, no? Talagang kinuha niya tayo at dinala niya tayo sa putik. All these decades that we've been building up our judicial system, not just by one person, but an entire nation, no? Na talagang gusto natin malakas ang ating judicial system na ito so imperfect from the start, and yet now you really wish for it kasi even though it was imperfect, at least may batas, may nahihiya, no? Nahihiya, lalo na yung mga opisyal natatakot kasi syempre public officer ka, natural ikaw yung susunod sa batas, pero ngayon sobrang kabaliktaran ng mga nangyayari ngayon. So alam mo, I want to speak out for the members of KOJC because I've come to know them.
Mhm.
Hindi yan property ni pastor. Property yan ng bawat miyembro ng KOJC na
Tama.
pinaghirapan yan. Yung bawat, sobrang kabaliktaran eh. Sobrang kabaliktaran nitong Marcos. Kaya nga, I cannot, it's so clear to me that it's no longer just a political war, it's a spiritual war. You're waging a war against some of the best people I have ever known in my whole life. Their goodness, their kindness, their faithfulness to their beliefs, to the gospel of Jesus, no? Talagang they have really embodied it. Quite the opposite of what came out now with the Catholic Church, no? From the CBCP
Yeah.
themselves. They said that Marcos is not, hindi, they will never ask for the ouster of Marcos kasi wala naman daw ginawa. So yan, can you imagine? Well, we can
Grabe.
play it, Eric. Terrible. No, so